View/install certificates for local machine store on Windows 7. On Windows 7, Windows 7 Professional x64, how can I view and install certificates in the local machine store? The Certware.msc plugin allows me to view certificates installed in the current user store, but not the local machine store. I am attempting to install from a .pfx file. On Windows 8, you are presented with an option to install either to local machine or current user store, but this option does not appear to be present in Windows 7.
Start mmc.exe, as administrator, menu file, add remove snap-in, select certificates, press add, select radio button, computer account, press finish and OK.
Certln.Master of Science, Win 8 2012 and above, will open the local machine certificate store in the same GUI style as Certn.Master of Science.
Install the certificate for all users. First save the certificate in a file, run mmc, open the certificate manager, Certn MSC in C:\Windows\System32, you will see it opens Certificates, Current User. In the menu, choose File, Add Remove Snap-in. Now press Add, select Certificates, and select Computer Account. Select the local computer. Now you have two snap-ins. Certificates, Current User. Certificates, Local Computer. Now import the certificate in Certificates, Local Computer, /Trusted Root Certificates, /Certificates, Certificates, Local Computer, /Trusted Root Certificates, /Certificates. This URL. Performing this task using the certificate manager on the local machine. Launch mmc.exe. If a user account control prompt is displayed, click Yes. Add the certificate management snap-in. Click File, Add Remove Snap-in, Certificates. Click Add, click Computer Account, Next. Retain local computer selection. Equals Finish, OK.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.